It's like my hair behaves like a tenant that owes its landlord money and doesn't want to open up. Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to mourn the strands, the pieces of hair that have been lost due to negligence, due to over manipulation, due to not wearing a bonnet when we sleep. We remember these fallen soldiers, these fallen strands that have been lost due to our neglect. Hi guys, it's me, Ray, and welcome back to another video. Could you relate to that first clip? Have you lost strands due to over manipulation? Hair abuse. We have neglected our strands. And no more, Ray and Co. Co being you that is watching. Thank you for watching, by the way. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 things and a bonus or 2 or 3 that I'm going to be doing to get my hair back to health. So I have been natural for a very long time. I officially big chopped 2013, started transitioning I think about 2012. 2013 I just chopped on my hair. No, I didn't. I just chopped off the relaxed ends. Yeah, I was left with quite a lot of hair on my head, thank God. And since that time it's been a very up and down journey, quite a few ups, quite a few downs, and I just really want to get to a good length. I want to get to waist length hair, and once, God willing, I get to waist length hair, I actually want to go to hip length. Hello. I just want to really see where, you know, God willing, my hair can get to, where God can take my hair. So these are the things I'm going to be doing. Number 1, more finger detangling. If you didn't know, natural hair is susceptible to breakage. Our hair is fantastic, our hair is beautiful, but if you tug it a bit too much, it can just snap, you know? It can just cut in two, be destroyed like the Nigerian economy, thanks to some of its politicians, but that's a whole nother story for another day. So you need to take care of your hair. Yes, people do encourage using wide tooth combs, certain detangling brushes that are quite gentle on the hair. This is all good and well, and I probably will still use these, but I am trying to incorporate more finger detangling in my hair. Have a look at my wash days, my most recent wash days. You will notice that I'm actually trying to incorporate more finger detangling in my hair, and this is to reduce breakage. Number 2, deep conditioning with heat. If you've been on this channel for long enough, if not, if you've just joined the family, thank you. I know I've got a few subscribers here and there. Thank you, really appreciate you, and welcome to this fun little channel. I have often raved about deep conditioning. I feel like deep conditioning has really saved my hair. It's allowed me to retain length, retain moisture, help with the manageability of my hair. It is one of those things I think some people overlook, but you need, well, you don't need, you can do whatever you want, but me, as for me, I'm going to be deep conditioning my hair more often and with heat. When I say heat, you might have noticed if you've been on this channel for a long time, I haven't actually been deep conditioning with my hooded dryer, and that's because the dryer, the blow dryer that we had, Rhoda was using it, have mercy, and that thing almost set alight. But thank God my sister is still here to tell the tale, aren't you, Rhoda? I know you're not going to comment below, but hey. And so I just haven't bothered to replace it. I've got a paddle brush, a blow dryer paddle brush. I've got a steamer. I just feel like sometimes the steamer is such a faff to like use, but it's excellent. So I'm going to buy a blow dryer. I've still got my hooded cap, and I'm probably going to I'm just going to use my steamer, because I think deep conditioner is amazing, and when you use it with heat, especially if you have hair like mine, medium to low porosity, where the strands just loves to be closing shut, like open up. It's like my hair behaves like a tenant that owes its landlord money and doesn't want to open up. You need to open up. You need to open up. So a way to help that is through steaming with heat. So that's what I'm going to be doing, steaming with heat, deep conditioning with heat. That's one of the things I'm going to be doing. Number 3, heatless curls. This is something, a lot of these things I kind of do or have done. I do heatless styles. Like very rarely do I apply heat to my hair on a regular basis, but every now and again I just have that moment. I'm like, oh, you know, it's my birthday, oh, it's a wedding. There ain't that many weddings in the UK, unfortunately. I wish we was in Nigeria, because this is like wedding season in Africa, isn't it? I digress. But like every now and again I'm like, oh, I just want to blow dry my hair. No, I don't do it often, but I have like moments in the year. I haven't put heat on my hair for quite a while. I think maybe a year and a bit actually, yeah. But I just don't want to put any heat on my hair, you know. And I will now segue into my next comment, and because of that I'm gonna be wearing a wig. I know what's happening to her. I do sell wigs. I have wigs on the naturalhairtoolkit.com, and I have a video, I have not edited it, and it's about my husband rating some of the wigs that I sell and some other ones I'm going to launch on the website. Yeah, check it out. I need to upload it. I haven't uploaded it, but check it out. Hopefully by now, hopefully when you see it, it'll be uploaded, but hey, we'll see. It was recorded many moons ago, but hey, the reason why I want to opt for a wig, I don't wear wigs. Like, I'm one of those naturals. I have my hair like loose, not loose, like my real hair out 99, let's say 98, like pretty much 99% of the time. I could be bold and say that. Sometimes I'll be 95, sometimes I might put some braids in my hair. Very rarely will I wear a wig. So I do have my real hair, but like we are going to a wedding. There's a wedding happening, so happy congrats, Sarah. And I wanted to like have my hair straightened, blown out, and I'm like, I don't really want to do that, so I'm gonna probably wear a wig. I don't think I'm gonna wear one of the wigs that I sell, because I want a kinky straight look, and I'm gonna go on Temu, and that's probably not the best website to get a wig, but girl, I don't know, I'm not a wig person. One of my best mates, hey lady, she's into wigs, but she's like more into like straight wigs. So yeah, I'm looking for a kinky style wig. If you want to send me a wig, go ahead, as long as it's kinky straight. I'm looking for a kinky straight wig that mimics my hair. I don't want it long. I don't want all this 18 inches on me. I want something like, oh, it's raining, it sounds lovely. I hope you can hear that on the camera. I love it. Ooh, welcome to London. I want something like maybe like a 14-inch, 16, something quite conservative. I know, kinky kind of hair. So that's why I'm going to be wearing a wig, just to avoid applying heat to my hair when it comes to the wedding. But we'll see. Maybe I'm like, girl, I need me some. I'm going to apply the heat, but I don't think I will. Okay. Tip number 5. Hot oil treatment. I feel like when I first became natural, returned to embracing my natural hair, I used to do this quite frequently, and now I've got lazy. And the joke is, I have an applicator bottle here stuffed with oils that are full of goodies that I could have just put it in some hot water and just applied it to my scalp. I might do this after this video and give you some content. I don't know, I'll see how I feel. Let's see. It's just easy. I don't know why I don't do it. I just massage the thing, you know, massage the oil into the scalp, into the hair. And I just want to say, I have a new series, kind of new, yeah, called The Benefits Of. And within that series, I'm documenting the benefits of various oils. In the past, I've done a few videos here and there. I've done one ages ago on almond oil, had one on the benefits of clove oil. And I have released, my most recent one I've released is one on avocado oil. By the time you see this video, maybe it'll be this, but the next oil is the baobab oil? Baobab oil or basu oil, can't pronounce that properly. But yeah, definitely check it out, because these videos are quite helpful for those of you that are looking to pick an oil for your hair. I have my favorites, and I need to do a video on that. There's so many videos I need to do to help me and to help you. Okay, number 6, let's go. What's on here? Tea rinses. Wow, I sleep on these. I used to do a tea rinse every other wash day, or like every wash day, depending on how I feel. Or you can do a thing where you can put it in a spray bottle and then mist your hair during the week. Maybe I'll opt for that, you know, or just apply the tea to the ends of my hair. I hope this rain is not like drowning out the sound. I'm sorry, I need to close, I should close the windows, but they're not even open that much, but hey. But anyway, back to tea rinses. So tea rinses is something I'm going to be incorporating in my hair because it can help with shine, this can help with strengthening the hair, this can help with reducing breakage, and in some instances the manageability of the hair. Some teas I'm probably going to use, I have a ton of peppermint tea in my cupboard and red bush tea, and red bush is quite great for the hair, so probably going to do peppermint because I know that is I think peppermint does have antifungal, antimicrobial properties, so I'll maybe be opting for peppermint tea, and of course it's in the home. And red bush has strengthening properties, so it helps strengthen the strands. If you want to see benefits of different teas, plants, etc., let me know, because I am doing one on oils. Let me know if you want one on teas in the comments down below. 7777 is the number.
777 is the number.
Guys, number 7. This is one that some of us who are going to hear this next one are going to be looking left, looking right, not giving me eye contact. I can see you at the back, thank you. Because this is something, for some reason, some of us find a bit of a struggle. I've said this in another video of mine, I have got happy marriage weights, yeah? That's a very conservative way of saying your girl's a bit more chubby, you know, more cute. But yeah, so the next thing I'm going to be doing to help grow my hair is more exercises. Did you know, you probably did you know, if you didn't know, I'm going to tell you that when you do exercise, your heart is pumping, of course, by God's grace, come on, and the exercise can actually, hello thunderstorm, is that a no-man telling us exercise we need to reduce on it? Okay, exercise is excellent, keeps the body fit and healthy, encourages blood circulation across the body, and including the, you know, the up here, the scalp, and then that can lead to more hair growth. Hello. But it means you will sweat more and encourage you to wash your hair more. So that is why I need to be doing more exercises. Number 8. I am going to drink water and mind my business. That's what I'm going to be doing. Drinking more water and minding my business, because hair can be stressful. And people can stress you when it comes to hair. So I'm going to be drinking water. Water! Hold the newt, Matilda. So I'm going to be drinking more water. Water is hydrating, helps with the moisture of the skin and the body. Right? Sometimes we'll be spraying water on our hair. Have you drank the water, Auntie? You need to drink water. Fresh water. Coconut water is also excellent for hydration as well. So let's drink some more coconut water and normal water. 9. What was that noise? Number 9. What is that weird noise? Number 9. Protective styling. In particular, mini braids, mini twists and braids. So braid with my real hair, so braids like this, you know. I washed my hair yesterday, got an LV wash day. These are the end results. Camera died, so by the way, these are the end results, yeah. Protective styling, protective styling, protective styling. Protective styling with my real hair. Over the many years I've been natural, I've noticed when I protective style with my real hair, my hair thrives. When I put a bonus, the bonus is not like a bonus hair constantly. Doesn't do much for my hair. My hair is protected, but I've noticed my hair thrives when it's left alone in its own hair, not weaved in with other hair or when I apply a wig. Yes, I said I'll be wearing a wig. I think I said maybe not often, maybe it's just for that wedding, honestly. And if I feel an urge, I want to straighten my hair, plop the wig on. I feel like wigs and additional hair should be an accessory, not a necessity. Controversial, I know. You sell wigs, yes girl, I know, and my hope is that women begin to embrace their hair that looks like theirs, because my wigs do mimic natural textured hair in its look. Number 10. Number 10 is washing my hair more frequently. If you have been on this channel for a long enough time, you may remember where I did such a hideous attempt. Hideous. I know people still do this, and I'm one of those people, nosy neighbor, having a look at what my fellow YouTubers on the left and the right are doing, in the center, in the back, and wherever. And that is leaving my hair for a long time without washing. Have mercy. Have mercy, Lord. No. Let's be washing our hair regularly. My sisters and I were having a chat. I've got two sisters, Ruth and Rhoda. Hey girls, how are you? And we were like, haven't you noticed when you wash your hair regularly, the matting, the detangling process is easier, matting is reduced, hair feels better, looks better. Wash day doesn't always feel like an exercise. Having said that, my last wash day, parts of it felt like I was training for the next Olympics. You know, I don't know what sport that is, but it did feel like that. Skanking, I don't know what that is. No, but yeah, so washing my hair regularly. There is a YouTuber, I can't remember her name off the top of my head. I can see her face, can't remember her name. And she was washing her hair daily. And it did help the curls, girls. It did help the curls, girls. It did. It really did help her hair. And I think there is something, and I feel like God has been impressing upon me, like, you need to put more water on this scalp. So I'm trying to opt for like 7 to 9 days, maybe try and push. Even when I have protective styles, I'm gonna try and wash the hair, because I've done it when I've had many braids, like off camera. Now the dog is back in. Welcome to London. I do wash my hair. I have washed my hair, and I want to do it more because I just think it just does something for the scalp, the overall health of the hair. Great for hair, scalp, great for the strands. This video is 17 minutes long. Have mercy, girl, you can talk. I know. The bonus is protecting your hair with a bonnet and a satin scarf, satin or silk scarf daily. You know, sometimes you be on the sofa, you just want to lay down. Hey, no, you're not laying anywhere. Have you got a scarf? Have you put a scarf on your head? You know, I used to do that when I was like, I'm about to lay down on it. Put this on there. But I've become lazy when it comes to those things. I need to go back to that because we're trying to save our inches. Trying to get more length, get more health, get more length. Hello. Another bonus is incorporating shea butter into my hair. Shea butter is one of those things that I know does wonders for my hair. I've seen the way my hair looks, how she's looking when she comes into contact with good old shea butter. I have just said to my hair, I said, girl, you don't need that, but you do need that. So I'm going to incorporate shea butter on my hair, and this is on the hair, not the scalp, on the hair. Too heavy for the scalp, blocks it up. Don't do that with the scalp. Everyone down there will work, so there maybe it works for you, but it's shine. It just offers this shine, suppleness, locks in the moisture to the hair, and keeps your hair hydrated and moisturized for days. So I need to use more shea butter. By the way, I have a playlist on the benefits of shea butter, and I also have a DIY featuring in that playlist how to make your own shea butter mix whip. Hello ladies. That brings, gentlemen, ladies, that brings us to the end of my video. These are the things that I am going to do, God willing, to get my hair out of its plateau, out of the struggle, out of Egypt and into the promised land of strands. If you want to follow me on my journey, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. By the way, I will, fingers crossed, God willing, be having a length check to get us on this journey. Join us. Join us. Black girls growing their hair together. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.